Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be giving a quick review on how to use kinemaster. Kinemaster is one of the most amazing mobile editing applications you can use to create YouTube shorts, TikTok reels, Facebook reels, YouTube videos, and lots of them. You can also use this to create amazing content. It has a lot of editing features that you enjoy. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful. The first thing we ought to do is to click on our kinemaster app. I am using the paid version of this app, so I'm eligible to use all the features. So this is the kinemaster. Now up there we have the tutorials if you want to watch on YouTube how to use it, and then here we have account, which is you if you want to sign up. Then we have create, we have home, and we have mix. So if you want to start, then before I forget, we have here which is the settings that you set your videos quality and lots of that. So now let's go back to creating your own video. If you want to create video, the first thing you need to do is to create on a new project. Now once you click on new project, you will see the ratio, the aspect ratio, the video ratio if you are creating for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook reels, and YouTube. So you can proceed and click on advanced to see some of the advanced features we have. So since I'll be creating for YouTube, I will leave it as 16:9. Then the project name should be, so let's do video tutorial. So now after doing that, you click on create. So this is the interface of this mobile app. Now for you to get started, it's either you import an image file or a video file to the application to get started. So this is my phone storage, so I'll be covering my gallery as I import one of the video for reference purposes. Okay, now after importing a video, I imported a card drawing video. Then I'll click on this close icon. Then this is the video I imported. Now as you can see, it has a background. For us to remove the background, we can crop it out. So once, if you want to crop something out, you click on the image, you scroll down to span. Then you double check, you hold, and you draw to fill in. then you succeeded in cropping out the video. So now if you want to mute the sound, you click on the video, you click on mixer, then you click on the speaker. It's already muting the sound. So let's try this video and see. So right now we don't have any image. So for us now to add our own image, you click on audio, you scroll down and select songs, you locate the file you want to use, then you click on the plus sign, then you click on close. Now this is the sound I want to use, so you can preview it to see. So you can as well play with the volume. You can reduce the volume. And at the end, when you are through with your editing, you click on this download button. Then you click on save. It's one of the easiest way to use KineMaster. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.